Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks app crashing on your phone. First, restart the device. This fixes many temporary problems. Then, go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for PrizePicks, and update the PrizePicks app to the latest version. Then, on Android, clear cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, then tap PrizePicks, tap Storage, then clear cache. Now, head over to your settings and then go to General or iPhone storage and make sure your phone has enough free storage. Next, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store and uninstall the PrizePicks and reinstall it again. Make sure your internet connection is stable. That's how to fix the PrizePicks app crashing. Subscribe for more simple fixes.